The world's 2019 wheat marketing year harvests are almost complete, and Kim is here to talk about it. Kim, what's the overview?
Well, that harvest, they're finishing up in Argentina and Australia, South Africa, and in the southern hemisphere countries. It'll be a little bit going in January, but if you look at the overall projections now, they're relatively accurate. You look at the world, a record 28.1 billion bushel crop. If you look at foreign, the crop, it's near record at 26.2 billion bushels. Now you can bring that back to Oklahoma. We had a below average 1.9 billion bushel crop. The hard red winter wheat harvest was 840 million bushels. You look at Oklahoma, 110 million bushels. Now if you go over to Russia in the Black Sea area, Russia harvested a near record 2.7 billion bushel crop. Ukraine, a record 1.1 billion bushel crop. And if you want to go to a bad place in the world, Australia lost their third crop in the world with only 632 million bushels. Their average is right around 900 million bushels. So a record crop this year. We got lots of wheat.
Let's talk about quality now. How is that looking overall?
Well, I don't have definitive numbers on that, but it looks like it's relatively good. Looks like we got good protein around the world. You look what's happening in the market. Russia, the Black Sea areas are easily meeting that 12.5% protein level. So I think the quality is relatively good this year.
Let's talk about prices now. What is the world's wheat price looking like?
Well, it's hard to come up with a world price because you've got the different classes of wheat, but you can go to the Black Sea, and if you look at futures price using the March contracts, it was $5.96 for Black Sea wheat. KC wheat, hard red winter wheat, March contract, $4.42. A spring wheat contract off Minneapolis, it's $5.16. If you go to Europe, their futures markets for the March contract, and now that's a soft red winter wheat contract, it's $5. Chicago Board of Trade, soft red winter wheat is $5.28. And if you look at our Texas Gulf price, it's $5.40. Now what's the price in Oklahoma? About $4.15. Well, if you look at what's going on right now, it's exceeding those export expectations. Your hard red winter wheat exports are 38% above last year's level. The USDA was projecting them to be up 15%. If you look at all U.S. wheat exports, 9% above last year, projected 1.5%. Soft red winter wheat is 8% above last year, and they're projected to be 22%. So you look at U.S. wheat exports, they've been relatively good. Now Russia, on the other hand, their exports are projected to be down 3.7%. They've been down about 12% on the last estimate I saw. Ukraine, up 25% projected. They've shipped 42% more than last year.
We've talked about this a lot, but if protein levels are relatively low, how are exports above expectations?
Price. Remember, we go back to those prices. Everything was $5 above $5, and our price was $4.15. Our wheat is priced so that it will move on the export market. So rather than sitting in the bin, weighing against future prices, they're getting that out there. Plus, go back to your quality question. I think we've got adequate, or better, more than adequate protein around the world. Therefore, they can take our lower protein wheat, blend it out, and get a good flour milling wheat out of it. And it's priced. That's why it's on the export market.
Okay, lots of great information, Kim. Thanks a lot.